Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best kitchen step stool for kids, the COSYLAND Kids Kitchen Step Stool. If you're looking for a safe, sturdy, and stylish way to help your toddler reach the sink or countertop, this product might just be what you need. Right from the start, the COSYLAND Step Stool stands out with its unique patented design. It features an A-shaped structure, which isn't just a design choice, it's a safety feature. This structure significantly reduces the risk of tipping, providing peace of mind while your child climbs up. The step stool also has non-slip rubber feet to keep it steady on various floor surfaces, preventing any unwanted slips. Safety is clearly a top priority here. The step stool comes with removable anti-drop railing safety rails that wrap around all four sides, creating a secure little space for your toddler to stand. The additional anti-fall bar can be removed if you don't need it, but its presence means your child has an extra layer of protection against falls. The design has been tested and certified by CPC, the Children's Product Certificate issued by the federal government, so you know it meets strict safety standards. Made from solid natural bamboo, the COSYLAND step stool is both durable and eco-friendly. Bamboo is known for its strength and lightness, and that combination makes this stool not only sturdy but easy to move around the house. The natural bamboo finish also adds a warm and modern look, making it a great fit for kitchens, bathrooms, playrooms, or nurseries. The step stool is designed for toddlers from about 18 months to 3 years old and can support up to 150 pounds, so it's built to last through your child's early years and even beyond. It has 2 steps, giving your little one the perfect height to comfortably reach sinks or counters. Plus, it can even double as a small table or desk for playtime or crafts, making it multifunctional. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions and numbered parts. Tools and non-slip gloves are included to make putting it together a smooth experience. If you ever run into any trouble or have questions, the brand offers support to ensure your satisfaction. Overall, the COSYLAND Kids Kitchen Step Stool combines safety, functionality, and style. It's a thoughtfully engineered product designed to give toddlers independence and confidence while keeping parents worry-free. Whether you want to involve your child in cooking, hand-washing, or other kitchen activities, this step stool provides the perfect helper. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to learn more or see this product in action, check out the videos and installation guide available online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest product reviews.